Hello and welcome. My name is Maxwell Osagie, Consulting Engineer for Teage Solutions Limited. Today I would like to introduce a solution to businesses seeking to respond to the new wave of web-enabled contact centers. In this video, we are proposing Cisco Social Miner, which provides customers with multiple channels for communicating with business representatives or contact center agents. Today's special emphasis will be placed on one of those channels, which is called Cisco Web Chat. Let's start off by looking at the agent interface, which is Cisco Finesse Agent Client. On the Cisco Finesse Client, we can see that the agent's name is listed here, the agent extension 2184. As this is a multi-channel contact center, which means this contact center is able to respond to customers on multiple channels, i.e. Traditional telephony, email, web chat, and so on and so forth. Now, on this particular occasion, this agent has preferred to make himself not ready for traditional telephony, but has made himself ready for chat and email communication. Back to the business website. A customer is on website GIA Tour Guides. The customer is seeking to establish the best way of finding the most suitable tour guide for his visit. The business has made several opportunities available to customers in terms of communicating with the business. One of such opportunities is to communicate with the business via a video call, or to engage in a live chat with one of the contact center agents, or request a callback from one of the business representatives. On this occasion, the customer has selected live chat. The customer is requested to enter his name, his telephone number, his email address, and also to select a problem statement that best encapsulates the nature of his query. He clicks submit. Back to the agent can see the incoming chat and accepts it. Once the agent accepts the invite, the window opens and the agent is able to see the customer's name from the drop down and email address. The agent is also able to see the customer's telephone number and also the service queue from which this chat originated from. From the service queue's name, the agent is able to see that this customer is seeking to select a tour guide. Now, this happens to be a very popular request on this website, so for sake of speed and customer satisfaction, the business has predefined some responses. One of the predefined responses here has now been sent to the customer. On the other end, the customer receives the predefined response, and the customer is able to, for instance, adjust the font size to a suitable size. Here, John Snow, the contact center agent, has advised the customer that he's able to provide the customer with a link to reviews on each of the tour guides, upon which the customer can then make a decision based on his perception from reading the reviews. The customer is very happy with this suggestion and says, "Thank you. Please send the link." Back to the Finesse client, the agent again has a predefined response for this as well and sends the link to the reviews. The customer is again very happy with this and says, "Thank you. That's all for now," and says bye. The customer is very happy with the speed at which the agent was able to provide him with all the answers that he was looking for through the aid of the predefined responses. The customer then proceeds to end this conversation, and upon which the customer is provided with an opportunity to actually download a transcript of the chat that he has just finished with the contact center agent. The customer determines that this is an accurate representation of his communication with the business today and proceeds to other sections of the website. back to the agent portal. One of the things we must notice here is all along in the beginning we mentioned that the agent's name was Maxwell Osagie. If we go back to the website, we see here that the agent's name was actually presented as John Snow. Now, so what this shows is that the agent's private information need not be made public. And for businesses that prefer to use employee ID over agent name, this capability and flexibility allows them to do exactly that. For further questions, please contact me on the email below. Once again, thanks for your time and have a good day.